Good morning, this is Chris. Welcome back to Sweet Acre Koi Farm. Today we're going to dye the pond. And it's a perfect day to do it because it's windy. Right now you're looking at the east, and we have winds coming out of the east. So that's what makes it a perfect day. We can stand on the east side of the pond and the current will draw the dye to the west side, and that's what you want. It'll distribute a lot faster. The dye that we're going to be using is Crystal Blue. There you go. All right, let's get started. Okay, we are going to get started, and it's pretty simple to do, and we're not going to use the whole jug of it. We shouldn't have to. This jug will treat an acre pond that's 6 feet deep. So we just know from prior times of us doing it that we have leftover. There we go. And you can see it's already spreading throughout the pond. There you go. We'll let him put a little bit more in, and I will show you how you can see it's already starting to spread. You can see over in there how it's already leaching through. And it will not take long in this wind for it to seep through and go throughout the, wow, it's already way over there. You can see it. Yeah, was that about how much we usually use, right about there? All right. Awesome. Well, I will keep recording and let them watch. Oh, wow, look at it's already past halfway point. Doesn't take long. Hopefully you guys can see this. Trying to get a better shot. Yeah, I think you can see it from here. We already have blue way up in here from the first pour. And here's blue coming through here. You can see how it's seeping through. There you go. It'll get all mixed up. That will look good. That's a good. If you want to, you can put some more in it. Just because, remember, we've never had that little area back in there full of water. I mean, if we need to, we can. We can wait if you want to. Yeah, we never usually, this piece over in here, because of the drain that was leaking down in here, it never got full of water. So I don't know if we need to add a little bit more water than we usually do. I don't know, we'll wait and see. We'll see what happens. But yeah, this ought to protect the koi from the heron. Because like we all know, if they can't see them, they can't kill them. So, and that's my main objective, is so they don't get bopped in the head with a beak, or, you know, I don't want the heron, oh, there goes a frog. I don't want the heron to have any excuse to come here, is my point. I want to see if it's all the way over here yet. Because it will be. Okay, this is still, it hasn't made it this far yet, but it will. Yeah. See, we've never had all this underwater. This has always been dry. So now that we have water over here where it's supposed to be, we'll see what happens. All right, what I will do is I will give it about an hour and I will come back out here and go ahead and do another video and let you see. Hopefully the sun will be out because it's supposed to be nice and sunny today, but this morning it was supposed to be cloudy and windy. So this afternoon when it's sunny, we probably will get a better look at the coloring of the pond. So I'll come back out then and we'll give you an update. Okay, we're not even going to wait till this afternoon to finish this video because it is distributed very nicely. And you can see how nice and blue that pond is. There we go. I'm trying not to fall walking down this big slope. There we go. There you go. Look at that. You can still see some streaking over here, which that'll blend a little nicer. Let me see here. You can still see it over here. This will look like this for a few more hours. I wanted to show this to you. You see how you can kind of see some streaking? I don't know, maybe you can, maybe you can, maybe you can't. I can. Maybe if I do it this way, you can see it. I can still see some streaks going in the water, but that will all blend together nicely shortly. They won't take very long, but yeah, there you go. So that's it for the pond dye. I went ahead and turned on the fountain. It just helps circulate the water a little faster. The wind kind of died down a little bit. I know the one day that I really want the wind to be strong to really get this going, and it kind of starting to die down on me. But here you can kind of see what it looks like up towards the bank. There you go. But yeah, much better. So now when the heron fly over, they won't be able to see the bluegill and the koi swimming around down in this pond. So yeah, it'll help the fish stay safer. I don't know if you could see it. There you go. But yeah, so there you go. See, real simple. It didn't take much at all. And I'll throw in a little clip of what the gloves look like on the top left. Yes, please, please, please remember, if you're going to dye your ponds, please put gloves on because it will leak on your hands inevitably. And once it's on your hands, it's going to take a minute to get it off. So gloves are a really good idea. But other than that, like I said, just, stay upwind and let the wind help you distribute the dye. It's always, always better if you do that. All right. Well, thank you for watching. If you like the video, click like. If you're not already a subscriber, think about subscribing. And click that notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Everybody stay sweet.